Good morning, all. Today is the 16th, or sorry, yeah, 15th of June 2016. Uh, just an overview of the market now, where it is. So let's start with gold. Mentioned, so around this area we'll start to pull back, and sure enough, I think that might be what I'm referring to right there. So you gotta watch out for that. The dollar is kind of a mix here. So you have a up down day kind of deal. So if this thing consolidate here, then this might not be the area to sell. You have to look at a higher time frame or a higher price. But anyhow, so right now it's kind of in an indecision place or consolidated place, and it might rally someplace else. So gotta watch out for that. Yes, I was very close. I think I marked this area right here in several of my videos. Should have included other, like maybe up to here or so, and almost hit the 70% retracement. So if you're a swing trader, you got, the way I look at this is if you were to risk 30%, you're gaining 70, so that's a little over 2 to 1 there. Um, so that's that. CL, CL. I'm convinced you still got some buyers here. Um, if you look at um, if you look at my last two videos, I mentioned that there was going to be consolidation and it'll shoot up in the U.S. session, and I think it did that yesterday as well. So let me see. Um, so sure enough, you could see here. Let me break up the time. So around like nighttime or the Globex session, you see it was consolidating, and right at before the pit session, you see this starting to shoot up. But as you can see, it's very wicky. And you got buyers right here at the 8 o'clock session. Took it up all the way high to 70 before it shot back down. And if you look at the previous day, it's very similar. You have a consolidation, but this one is more of a head fake, double bottom, and then shot back up. Now, is that what's going to happen today? It could be. It could just this guy just double bottom again and shoot back up. Certainly, a couple of levels that I could start watching is around this area right here. So the double bottom shoots back up. I think that's a perfect scenario. So, but right now it's just kind of in a sideways action. So, and today I'm going to try my best not to scalp today. It's pretty hard to switch your brain from scalping mode to long and hold mode, especially if you're losing. You just want to, as soon as you hit profit, you just want to cash out and try to get in again. And so today I'm gonna try my best not to or pick the best quality trade here. So hopefully I can achieve that today. Uh, in any event, let's see what's going on with. Um, Today is Wednesday, so you certainly have an inventory report coming in. CPI it's up, so this one might push the market higher a little bit. It's been down, I don't know, 3 or 4 days in a row now. So um, and then the market might pause and take a breather over here, waiting for that result, and So I guess around 1 o'clock, or maybe the opening drive is the best play because of this news right here. You got to look at the news. Now the crude oil inventory would certainly move the CL for sure, but um, the opening drive is probably where I want to participate in because I'm looking for the momentum move, and more likely you'll either get jerked on the downside or the upside. Um, but it's no telling yet. It's only 7:30, so I guess, yeah, I'll sit on my hands, watch the market, watch the tape. Notice the tape is starting to put in a huge ticket order. So around this area right here. So right now I think it's gonna consolidate. So it'll either drop to the downside or to the upside. But right now there's not much really telling. It's too noisy. So I'll pause the video. I'll come right back. Okay, I'm back. Looking at my notes here. If the pattern is still intact, then the first initial reaction on the report should sell off. So, but it's been doing that for quite some time now, so I don't know if that's going to be intact. I think it makes more sense, just looking at the daily here, it makes more sense for the price to shoot up, and they'll call this one a price support right here, and it'll shoot right back up. So, and let's see, crude oil inventory. Yeah, if you look at, I mean, this thing doesn't even almost matter just because it's gonna do what it's going to do. So it's just using this to move the market around. So now I gotta focus on where supply is and where resistance is. So let me see, I gotta remove some of this. Anyhow, I'll just pause the video for now. Looks like 46.91 right here might be a good area to find support in, because otherwise, if I was to use a retracement tool, 41.66. If it's strong, it'll hold. Normally, it'll hold 30 and 40%. 50%. You're almost looking for the downside, which is the 70%. So, anyways, I'll come back. I'll just pause the video for now. Okay, so I don't know what's going on here, but I'm kind of getting jerked around here, so I might have to, on my next trade, I mean, I'm willing to take the stop, but if this thing stops me out, then I'm just gonna sit on my hands and watch this thing unfold. Maybe trade the like around 9 o'clock, 8:30 time frame. I'll be back. I'm not getting a good read of the market right now. I'm gonna take a 12 tick winner here if I can get it. Where's my stop? And that's my target. So I'll be right back. Man, this is the longest 10 cent that I'm trying to get. But it looks like oh, there you go. You made it finally. All right, so I'm back to positive. I think I'm gonna try to keep trading to the downside here. So, meanwhile, if I find another trade, I'll come back. Okay, no trades yet, but I'm looking at these tickets right here, around the 59s, the 62 levels right there. So I'm just paying close attention on how price would react to this transaction right here. I have to pay a premium here, guys. So you can see my order is in at 73.
So I'll wait for it to pull back there, and I'll see if I can get in at 73, if not even 75. So I'll come back. So I think this is going to be my last trade today. If I get taken out, I get taken out. It is what it is. My entry was 69. I had mentioned earlier there was transaction in the lower 60s, 70s area. So I was watching the tape there, and I guess I was able to take advantage of this one. I was really trying to put in at 70, 60, or like at 63 level. This just wasn't comfortable. I needed more confirmation. So I used it as kind of my confirmation there, and then I just paid a little bit of premium and got in at 69. So win or loss, I think this is gonna be the trade for me today. I might even be in the wrong trade location. So this is what I'm noticing right now. What happened is that this thing, if you're playing the breakout trade, you're more likely have to pay the premium for the risk, because of what's happening is if it breaks up, sometimes I see this wick to shoot back up just to come back down again. So if you're playing a breakout, you're more like if you take this for example. So if you put your order to short there, right at the break of this candle, because you can see that might be potentially support. So if it breaks, that mentality is, oh, you might come down, right? So what happened on this candle here is shot back down and went shoot back up, and then just to close lower. So if you're a 5-tick, if you're playing the 5-tick game, then more likely you might have gotten stopped out. If your entry was at the 80 and then get stopped out at 85, 1 tick above that. So now you're going to blame yourself, going, oh, I got stopped by a tick, terrible, because nobody wants to short right there at the very top, right? So and that's kind of what I was hoping to do, and buy the 63s, because right now there's not much really aggressive buyers. As you can see, someone's buying the dip, the lows. So I had to play a little bit of premium and got in at this level right here. So when this thing closed this way, I started to see buyers coming in. So I got in at this candle, which is at 69, and then now I'm just gonna see if I can ride it. In any event, I guess I'll pause the video. I'll come right back. Okay, so this is not the momentum I was expecting to happen here. So I think what I'm going to do is move my stop 2 ticks or several ticks below this one. So right now I lower that to 70. So I'll put it at 65. Let's see here, maybe a few ticks from there, 67 or so. Alright, so if this thing continues on to the downside, then my risk is literally 2 ticks. So we shall see. Well, let's see. Let's cut the 1 minute chart. Let's see, 1 minute. Let's move it at 65. Okay, so I got 5 ticks of risk. So we'll see. I'll come back. Okay, I went ahead and put take out one contract here at 89. That puts me into a 20 tick winner, and also gets me out of a negative loss. So and that's still a pretty good risk reward ratio. Yeah, I'm risking 5 to make 20. So we'll see, and then I'm gonna let the other one go, just in case the news report shows up today. I know I said it's gonna be a sell, but I already have my stop here just in case that happens. because 47.17 around this area would be the it's gonna be the area of interest here daily, like around this area right here. So the current, let's see, yeah, you got about 69 cents of range here, so you can go either direction. If this thing, so my plan now is if this thing just gets stuck around this area, at least I got one peeled out already, and then I'll rest the other to even maybe like 5 ticks right here or something. Right now, we'll see. I'm looking for that momentum, and it's getting close. It's already 9:03 Central Time, so around 9:15. If this thing doesn't move anywhere, I'm just gonna peel it out. So, and there's one. That one got that one got hit. So I'm just gonna adjust this one to 1 tick. So I'm even gonna move it to um, so we got 2 ticks right there. And my target, let's put it on a wishful side here, just for now. So it's way up here. In the meanwhile, I'll come back. Okay, guys, this is just for my psychology's sake. I'm gonna move my stop to 79 here. If I get stopped, it is what it is. At least I was able to take home 10 ticks for today. So, and try to short this one. Try to short it at 63, and it's gonna be quick. So 63. Take a cover there. Alright, well, you see so that's my upside scenario, and this is my downside scenario, so, alright, I'll come back.
So there it goes. There's the shot up in price there. My target is, I got one more somewhere sitting at 82 or 60. I think it was a, oh no, I canceled it. 1 second. I'm $60. That was quick. Keep in mind my entry was 69 here. Earlier it was right on this red candle right here. So I'm gonna give it one more chance. If this thing does not break that high, 47. I'm just gonna flatten it. Seems to be pretty strong though. So yeah, I'm just gonna flatten it. It's sitting around here. I guess that's it. 580. That's all I'm gonna trade today. Sorry the video's kind of long. Appreciate you taking the time watching the video. And I mentioned earlier that I was gonna watch this level. I should have front run it. Is what I did. Or should have done. But I coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? Okay. Well, y'all have a good one. Hopefully you're learning something in this video. If you have questions, I can certainly try to answer your questions best I can. Again, the purpose of these videos are to kind of share my journey as I'm going through my, trading journey, for lack of a better description here. And I'm certainly trying to encourage others to do the same. Actually, I got a couple of people that are showcasing some of their trades already, which I added because I like to know what they're doing as well. For those who is doing that, if you can add some kind of commentary on why you're getting in and out of the trade, it's good information for me at least. So again, thank you for watching the video. If you're finding value in this, it certainly helped me out a lot. If you could like, subscribe onto the video, that would certainly help me out. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Good day.